Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today we're diving into an in-depth review of the Eahora Romeo Pro e-bike, a powerhouse electric bike that blends performance, comfort, and cutting-edge tech. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast looking to tackle rugged terrains, a commuter searching for a reliable ride, or someone who just loves a thrilling biking experience, the Romeo Pro has something for everyone. We'll be exploring everything this e-bike has to offer, from its robust build and high-tech motor to its impressive range, safety features, and more. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes this e-bike stand out and whether it's the perfect match for your riding needs. If you're interested in learning more or checking out the bike for yourself, don't forget to click the links in the description below. And, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the design and build of the Eahora Romeo Pro. This bike screams durability with its high carbon steel frame and sturdy 26-inch x 18-inch dimensions. At 124.6 pounds, it's a hefty machine, but that weight translates into stability, especially on rugged terrains. The bike features CST 26-inch x 4.0 fat tires, perfect for gripping uneven trails and absorbing shocks. Its adjustable hydraulic front suspension and air shock absorbers ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, whether you're tackling dirt paths or city streets. One of my favorite features is the leather saddle with memory foam. It's designed to relieve pressure, making long rides much more comfortable. Add in the ergonomic handlebars and anti-slip grips, and you're in for a solid, comfortable riding experience. Now, let's talk power. The 1500W brushless rear hub motor packs a serious punch, peaking at 700W. With 140 Nm of torque, this bike can easily handle steep hills and challenging terrains. What about speed? The Romeo Pro doesn't disappoint. It can hit a top speed of 34 to 37 miles per hour, whether you're using pedal assist or the throttle. And speaking of pedal assist, the bike offers 5 levels of PAS, so you can adjust the power depending on the ride. Powering all this is a massive 2,880 Wh lithium-ion battery, giving you an impressive range of up to 110 miles with pedal assist, or 78 to 90 miles on throttle alone. Plus, it charges in just 6 to 7.5 hours with the included quick charger. Let's move to the dashboard. The bike features a 4-inch color LCD display, which is not just functional, but also sleek. You'll get all the important details: speed, battery level, PAS settings, and even extras like Bluetooth connectivity and a USB charging port for your devices. It also comes with cruise control and a handy 6 km/h walk mode, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces. Safety is always a priority, and the Romeo Pro excels here. It's equipped with a hydraulic disc brake system featuring 203mm steel rotors and 4-piston calipers. This setup ensures reliable stopping power, even on steep descents. The lighting system is another highlight. The headlight pumps out 2,000 lumens, making night rides safer and more convenient. Plus, the tail light includes an integrated brake signal and blinker for added visibility. The Eahora Romeo Pro is designed for riders between 5 feet 7 inches and 6 feet 4 inches, and its pressure relief saddle and robust suspension make it a great choice for longer journeys. The bike also includes front and rear fenders, keeping you clean and dry in muddy or wet conditions. For those who need extra storage, you can opt for a rear rack or basket, making it a practical choice for urban commuters. Finally, let's look at the smaller details that make a big difference. The bike uses a Shimano 7-speed derailleur, ensuring smooth and reliable gear shifting. The Wellgo aluminum pedals are sturdy and slip-resistant, while the heavy-duty kickstand makes parking a breeze. Even the electric horn built into the headlight is a thoughtful touch, ensuring you can alert others when needed. To wrap it up, the Eahora Romeo Pro e-bike is an impressive blend of power, comfort, and practicality. Whether you're looking for an adventure-ready ride or a reliable commuter, this bike has got you covered. And this is the review of Eahora Romeo Pro e-bike. If you want more information about this e-bike, you will find the links in the description below. If you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison or review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.